At eto na nga, para makompleto na ang gabi natin, tatawagin ko na the lead stars of Hello, Love Again. Please welcome Alden Richards and Catherine Bernardo. Joy and Ethan are back for Hello, Love Again. Kath, Alden, let's pose for photos muna. Right over there. There you go. Sana po nararamdaman ninyo ang energy. Ang energy ng event natin tonight. All right, please welcome Catherine and Alden. Bati muna tayo, Alden.
Magandang gabi. Gabi na po. Parang panaginip. Hindi po kami, ako po and kaming lahat po, hindi po kami makapaniwala na finally it's happening. It's happening this year. And we couldn't be more excited po on what's about to unfold in the next couple of months. Pero maraming salamat po sa inyo na nandito ngayon.
Kath?
Hello! Hello po, good evening. Thank you so much for being here, of course. Our bosses are here from ABS and GMA for the first time. Hello, finally! First time ko na-meet yung iba. And to our press, MJ, Kathy, and everybody, thank you for being here. I know it's a Sunday, but nandito kayo lahat to show your support. So maraming salamat ngayon pa lang.
Hindi pwedeng wala kami ngayon. Kasi
Mismo.
this is a big